Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to unbox or rather open these two t-shirts that we bought from Amazon. Now when it comes to shopping for women, I think it's much more easier. You get so many options, but when it comes to shopping for boys, it's really difficult. There are just few color options that you get and few sort of styles that you get from where you need to shop. We were looking for some t-shirts that you can comfortably wear at home or while going out for maybe grocery shopping or just like nearby going out. So we were not getting any options. So from Amazon we then decided to buy these t-shirts which look similar in terms of pattern, just that they are different in terms of the color. So both of these we bought from the same brand. It is Amazon's brand, Amazon House and Shields. So we bought two t-shirts, collared t-shirts, polo t-shirts, and this is what it looks like. We bought both of these for 239 rupees each. So each one is 239 rupees and we ordered them in L size. But looking at the fit, I think we should have ordered M size. That would have fitted perfectly, but then it's okay. We just kept it. We did not exchange it. So it's been almost a year. I think we ordered it on 18th of March as I'm seeing the order history. So we ordered it on 18th of March. Both of these were for 239 rupees. I will leave a link to this in the description box below as well in case you want to check them out. These are short sleeves t-shirts. Oftentimes you will see that the prices may vary. Sometimes few of the sizes might be out of stock also, but then from the same brand there are other options as well that you can get. We have even ordered some regular t-shirts also from the same brand, and quality is decent considering the price. Like if you go outside you might not get these kind of t-shirts for 250 rupees or lesser than that. And I did not record any videos of him wearing, but then I had this few clips wherein he was wearing these t-shirts, and those clips were there with me, so I'm just attaching them for your reference. But then yes, sizes and all, you can go for your own regular size that you otherwise wear. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Until we meet next time, bye.
Regular. Yeah.